My name is Jaden Brownlee. I'm a senior computer science major at St. John's University. I'm the president of a tabletop gaming club. So at Tabletop, we primarily just play a lot of board games. Sometimes do a lot of video games, whether it be Jackbox. Typically, we have games such as Catan, Coup. We also have some side games for our Magic the Gathering players, and we have chess, so chess kind of gets roped into us a little bit, but we kind of encompass all board games and kind of just all community games. And then we also encompass Pokemon, anime, and Dungeons and Dragons. We have a handful of DMs that like to host their one-off sessions or even make full campaigns, and then we also do Vampire the Masquerade. Students should get involved with Tabletop primarily because it's like a small little community, and we all kind of just get together, have fun. We all just kind of enjoy each other's company, so it kind of just allows you to open up your horizons and just find new people who are interested in things that you may not even know that you're interested in. So in the past, we kind of started out small. I think the club started roughly about 5 years ago. So it kind of just was a little gathering in Section 200, but then we've opened up our horizons. We've hosted events such as chess tournament, Katanathon, things like that, and then our biggest event yet is Brother Willie's Pub. I would say Tabletop's important primarily because I think for me it kind of helped me find my people, have a good community, and just have a lot of laugh and a lot of fun. And we try and make it as engaging as possible. Come down to Tabletop Tuesdays 7-10. Follow us on Instagram, follow our Discord, and just come to have some fun.